Hey everybody. It is March 30th. Happy Monday. I wanted to show you a video, and I think this might be a little bit easier than trying to do a Zoom with everybody just because sometimes we all can't be on the Zoom at the same time. So I think that maybe watching a video and me showing you some things that you should be doing today and this week would be a little bit easier for all of us, and we can watch it whenever we can, whenever is the right time for us. So I want to just quickly explain what you're going to be doing for March 30th through April 3rd. That's this week. And this is for mathematics. I'm just going to go through what you should have done today. I sent a message out in the Remind to show your parents what you should be working on today. It also tells you on Mondays. Okay, on the calendar it says resource page. That is this page. It shows you how you should be kind of working all these problems out. It says resource page at the top. So whenever something says that, okay, you need to look for the heading on top of your handouts like this because it usually says it at the top. Okay, so this is your resource page, and then on Mondays it says Lone Star 33 and adding and subtracting two-digit by two-digit numbers, pages 3 through 4. Okay, so you only have to do one page of the warm-up. That's for today. We all know what that is. We've actually done this one before. I can recognize it. And then on Mondays, you're using the resource page that showed you how to do all these problems, and you're solving all of these out. So for example, I'm just gonna work this out with y'all. So for 48 plus 37, you might have to do some regrouping here. So let's start on the ones place. 8 plus 7. Well, I know that a doubles fact is 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So 7 plus 8 has to be one more, which is 15. So I take this down, I put my 5 down below, and then I bring my 1 up from the 10 up to the tens place above the 4. Okay, just like that. So now I have a 5 in my ones place. Now I need to add all of these up. 1 plus 4 plus 3. Well, I have a 4 here. I also have this little 1 that could go with the 3 to make that a 4. So now I have another doubles fact. 4 plus 4, which is 8. So my answer would be 85. I could also go back to my resource page and think, which one of these could I do to show this problem? Maybe I want to do the expanded form, okay, or the break apart as we call it. So we would do 40 plus 8, 30 plus 7. Okay, if I add these two up, I have 4 plus 3. Okay, so it would be the same answer, but you can come up with different ways to show that. The break apart, you could draw a picture. I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones plus 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you could draw it and then solve it like that. So there's a lot of different ways that you can solve those problems. So for today, you are supposed to do the warm-up, this side, and this side. And that's it. Okay, so that's for Monday. Monday for math, it should be pretty simple. You're just doing adding and subtracting practice. I call it practice because we should already know how to do those things, and so it's more of just like a review. So for Tuesday, let's see what you have for Tuesday. Tuesday, you start out, it says Tuesday at the top. You start out with another warm-up, getting your brain ready for your other worksheets. And here's Tuesday again. You have a fun little worksheet here. I like these because they're fun, they're bigger, so they're easier to read. What I would do is I would read the word problems. So for number 1, it says there were 17 turkeys, and I think all of you know what I would start doing already is I would be circling the numbers here. Okay, so 17 turkeys on a fence, 13 turkeys in a tree, and 28 turkeys on the ground. How many turkeys were there in all? So we're adding all 3 of those numbers up together. So there's not a whole lot of space on here. So I would be grabbing my scratch piece of paper, okay? Any paper. Okay, if you think you can do it on the bottom right here, you can do that, but you're adding all 3 numbers up together, okay? Then you write your answer, you're circling your answer, and then you have another side of that. And then you have a fun November problem solving quiz. And it's not November, but it works. So you have a quiz with word problems. So remember, you're circling the numbers. That's what I would do every single time. So you know, those are my 3 numbers I'm adding together. Your problems might be looking like, I might be thinking, well, to make this easier on myself, maybe I want to add 17 and 13 up together right now before I even add anything else. So 13 plus 17. Okay. Well, 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know I have a 0 at the bottom and a 1 comes upstairs. So now my answer will be 30. Okay. Now look at that. I have a 30 plus 25. Okay, so I take this 25 and 30 and now I add those up together. That's way easier than adding all 3 of those numbers together. That's so easy because I have 5 plus 0, that's 5, and 3 plus 2 is also 5. So I just gave you an answer for Tuesdays for your quiz. The answer is 55. So if you're watching this, you already got 1 right because I gave it to you. Okay, so it looks like every day you're going to have a warm-up like this. So this is Wednesday for math. Then you're going to go to another fun subtraction and addition for Wednesday. Again for Wednesday. Those are with 3-digit numbers, so you're going to have to be very careful and regroup with that. So I'm going to show you an example with the first one, number 13, right here, really quick. I will use my black pen. Okay, so I always start in the ones place, okay? So I have 5 plus 8. So I put the biggest number in my head, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So my 3 goes here. My 1 comes upstairs to the tens place. See the little baby 1? Because my answer was 13. The 1 ones place goes here, then it comes back up with the 10. Right? Now I have 1, 2, and a 5. So in my head, I already know 2 plus 1 is 3. So with that, I can say 3 plus 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I do not have to regroup here. I just have an 8. Okay? Now I go to my hundreds place. 4 plus 2. 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you're watching, you already have one answer for the first number, 13. Okay? For the 3-digit numbers anyways. So that one is a little bit trickier. I'm going to show you the answer one more time. I'm going to highlight it for you. Remember, you just have to keep going and regrouping. Knowing your place values, your ones, your tens, your hundreds is really going to help you when you regroup and you have to bring one of those upstairs. All right, and if you get stuck, I can also try to find some YouTube videos that show you how to regroup, and you can look those up yourself too if you want to. Okay, here's Thursday before our quiz on Friday. So here's Thursday, your warm-up. Thursday again, you have some word problems. So there's a pattern. It goes adding, subtracting with your up and down. Then it goes to word problems, then back to adding, subtracting. So there's a pattern. So these are word problems again. You have to read very carefully and answer the question. These are with 3-digit numbers. You have to circle your numbers. So for the first one, a bakery sold 374 cookies on Monday. They sold 153 on Tuesday. How many cookies did they sell on Monday and Tuesday combined? So that means you're adding those two really big numbers together. Okay, and then on Friday, here is what you send me a picture of. I don't need I don't need anything else, it looks like, except for Tuesdays also has a star, so I need Tuesdays and Fridays because those have stars at the top. So that's how you're getting credit. I give you a 100 if you complete the work. Okay, so if you do it, you're gonna get a 100. All right, so if it has a star at the top, you send it to me. So for this week, Tuesday and Fridays is what you're sending to me. For Friday, remember, you try to do this all on your own, okay? Find a spot in your house, your room, and answer the questions. You can use anything in your house to help you. You can draw pictures. You can find Legos, marbles, rocks from outside, whatever you have to try to help you solve these problems. Okay? Pretend that they're in your place values and you're trying to find out what the answer is with these numbers. Okay, so that is for math. All of that is completed. Now, tomorrow I'll probably post a video of what you're supposed to do for Tuesday for math, just to make sure that you guys are watching and listening, just so you don't miss something. Okay, for reading. I know this gets a little confusing. The way that it's printed out, for me anyways, is a little backwards, so I had to kind of put it how I thought and go from there. So for Monday, on your calendar. I would be coloring with a crayon or a colored pencil or a marker just to highlight what you should be doing every day. So for Monday today, you should have or will read the story How Water Shapes the Earth. Then you go to Student Interactive Book 2.2, Unit 5. And you practice your sight words. So when they say Student Interactive Book 2.2, they mean this page right here. Review vocabulary. So it's just saying that this is your vocabulary for the upcoming story that you're about to read. And then you want to be able to have your sight words out and be able to practice those. Remember I said that you can cut them up, you can color them, cut them, and then play like a matching game with them. Anything that seems fun to you to practice your sight words, you can do that. Another fun one would be to have like a little trash can and have like a ball or stuffed animal or something. Every time someone shows you, maybe a sibling or mom or dad or grandma or grandpa, they could show you a sight word, and then if you get it correct, you can try to shoot a basket in your trash can or something like that. Remember all of our things that we used to do with sight words. There's another one, the military one, where you say the sight word. So I'm going to spell it out and then I'm going to say it. So any, A-N-Y, any. And then I'm going to do jumping jacks. A-N-Y, any. Okay? So then you could do that for all of these and get some physical exercise in there as well. Okay? So for Tuesday, for tomorrow, you're supposed to complete the vocabulary activity, which is, it's a little backwards for me. It says the page number, page 536. Here's page 536, so that's for tomorrow. Your vocabulary. Then practice your sight words on Wednesday. It says complete check for understanding, page 300 or 537. So each title is on the top too. If you get a little confused, like I'm getting confused right now, it's okay. Look for the page number and look for the title. So that's for Wednesday. I'm going to write on here Wednesday in big letters. Wednesday. This one was Tuesday. Vocabulary. Okay. Let's see what is for Thursday. Complete spelling activity, page 543. So this is for Thursday. All right, Thursday up here. Thursday. And then your last one is page 544, and that's on Friday. Your contractions. Okay, make sure every time you have one of these handouts, you're reading the very top because it tells you what a contraction means and what it is. So before you try to start any of this, you really have to read this part on the top. All right? So for reading, your biggest thing for reading is that you're reading. Okay? We want to make sure that you guys, if anything, you're still reading. So I think it's very important to read these stories. Okay, you have to read these. Okay, they're really interesting. And then I have seen, I'm just going to call the students out because I've seen that they've read so many books, and I just want to give them a round of applause because it's awesome to see. So on the Epic app that I sent to you guys, you can go on there, you can read any books that you want. There's so many on there. And then there's videos, there's experiments, there's anything that you really want to watch on there. So the kids that have read so far, Ricardo has read so many books. It's amazing. Has watched some cool videos of like things that you can make. Vicente, Rylan has read. Addison, Ashlyn, and William have read some books. So good job, guys. Also, some friends that I've seen on iStation. I know it's really hard to get on there sometimes. With the technology you have, maybe it's really hard to do that. So, but I want to give a round of applause to Ricardo, Arabella, Addison, Ashlyn, and James for being on iStation and practicing. Okay, once you get done with all your packet stuff, if you're saying, I'm bored, I don't know what to do, get on Epic, watch some videos. They even read stories to you sometimes. And then you can also get on iStation. I know some of you love iStation. Another one, if you get on Think Math or Cool Math, PBS Kids, just let me know. Just tell your parents, hey, message Mrs. Swanson and tell her that I got on here today and watch this cool learning video. Then I'll give you some extra credit for that. Okay? So, I know that was fast and furious, but I wanted to make it kind of fast just so it's not super long. Make sure that you're doing your math. Make sure that you send me Tuesdays. I'm going to write down here. Send me Tuesdays and Fridays because those have stars at the top. Okay, so send me pictures of Tuesday and Fridays for math. For reading, I want Tuesdays and Thursday. So for reading, send me Tuesday and Thursday for reading. Okay, send me Tuesday and Thursday for reading, Tuesday and Friday for math. Okay, and I will send a picture of that in the remind. Just keep doing what you guys are doing. Hopefully we can get on Zoom this week when everyone has kind of gotten their packets, gotten started on their packets and everything. I know that's been a little complicated and I totally understand. So I just thought this maybe would be an easier way for everyone to just kind of do everything at their own pace. I just want it to be easy for everybody to keep learning. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope this video helped you a little bit. If I go too fast, just let me know. You can pause the video, you can go back and watch it again. Take notes if you forget, and have your parents message me if you have any questions. Okay? Bye.